Hi, how are you? What's your name? Nice to meet you. How old are you? I'm 20 years old. Sorry, my English is not very good. Can you repeat that, please? Can you speak more slowly? What do you like to do in your free time? I like watching movies and listening to music. In my free time, I like reading and learning new things. What kind of music do you listen to? I enjoy all kinds of music. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. Do you like traveling? Of course, traveling is fun and exciting. Do you watch movies or series? Yes, especially action and comedy movies. Have you visited any other countries? Yes, I visited Turkey and Saudi Arabia. What languages do you speak? I speak Arabic and English. What are your hobbies? I like reading, traveling, and playing football. I love music, gaming, and meeting new people.